Started.
Yeah, right. One sec. Okay. Yeah, guys, myself is Karunaka and I am a team member of Rajesh under Rajesh. Okay. Today we are going to start the SQL language. Before we are starting the SQL language, I would like to know what exactly the awareness you people are having in the SQL language. Are you all the guys are beginners or else you are having any pre-knowledge on this SQL?
I am the beginner.
Un actor is the beginner. Okay, what about Munar?
Yeah, I'm two beginners.
Yeah, Nazir is also beginner, right?
Yes.
Yeah, then we will start from the basic onwards. Okay. Let us see. Let us see. Can any one of you can define what's meant by data?
Some kind of information.
Okay, information. What's meant by information?
I'm sorry, what?
What exactly mean by data? You say someone said that that is some kind of information, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's meant by information then? Okay. Let us start this from the basic data and information. Let us see. I'm saying the data as a raw collection. I'm saying the data as a raw collection. Why I'm saying the data is the raw collection means, let us see. Suppose I'm having some values like that. Suppose the plus and y, okay, and then equal to, and then x, and then 2. Okay. Whether by seeing this one, whether it is making any sense?
No, sir.
No sense, right? That means we are having the different types of operators and as well as the operands and as well as the value 2 here, but we can't understand by seeing this all what exactly this one. Okay, but coming to the information, let us see. Okay, x plus y equals 2. Whether it makes the sense?
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that means x plus y equal to 2. It is making the sense, right? That
Yes.
means the data is nothing but the raw collection. Okay, whatever the raw collection is there in the data, suppose I am processing that one. I am processing the data into some meaningful way. Okay, that is called as an information. That is called as an information. Got it? Data is a raw collection and information is the processed data is called as information. Okay, and coming to this, I am going to explain the another terminology called as database. Why I am telling this terminology is data information database means here we are dealing with the database. That is nothing but the database management system. One of the utilities of the DBMS is nothing but the SQL, structured query language. That's why I'm telling these basics. Okay, this will take around 5 minutes like that. That's it. After we will enter into the practical. Okay, the practical sessions later on. Got it? Up to now clear, right? The data and the information. Okay. Are you there, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We
Yes.
muted our line there.
Yes, yes.
Okay, no issues. Okay, yeah. Then see, you can unmute, guys. No problem from my end. Okay. Let us see. The database. What is the database means? I already said the data is nothing but the raw collection, and the database. Database is nothing but the collection of large data. Collection of large data. Suppose I'm taking the data of a particular in a class for the sample of 10 students. It is a small data. Or else I'm taking a data of a particular, like this the data is some student roll number, the unique number, as well as the student name, as well as the student marks I'm taking, suppose. Okay, like this I'm collecting for some 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. It is a small data, right? And when we are collecting the data for the 10 students, it is also a small data, and we are collecting the data for the entire class. Okay, it's what somewhat data, and I'm collecting for the entire college, and I'm collecting the data for entire university. Okay, then it will be a collection of large data. To handle this collection of the large data, suppose in a number of students, that means in a 10,000 students, I want to pick up the student number who is having the roll number 7. Okay, it is not possible to set entire the records, or else if I want to set the student who is having the roll number with 9,999, I am not able to set all the records from the starting onwards to 9,999, right? I need some logic to find out that one. Okay, what is that logic and how we can use the logic to handle this large collection of the data. One sec, guys. How I can pick this large collection of the data is nothing but using some language. Okay, what is that language? Structured query language. Okay, structured query language. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. There are so many DBMS utilities are there. Okay. Suppose SQL, MySQL, okay, and then SQL Server. Like this, there are different utilities. That means there are different programming languages are there. Different languages are there to handle this large collection of the data. Okay, that means here I said the DBMS, right? DBMS is nothing but database management system. Okay, to manage the large collection of the data, we need some system and we need some languages. Those languages are nothing but SQL, MySQL, SQL Server. These are all some of the examples of this DBM, some of the examples of these SQL languages. Okay, DBMS utilities. We can also say this as DBMS utilities. Okay, and here we are going to discuss about this SQL that was implemented in the Oracle. Okay, that was implemented in Oracle. Okay, the SQLs can be implemented in different ways. In the Teradata also we can implement this SQL. Okay, and as well as like this we can implement in different ways. Here we are going to discuss in the concept called as Oracle. Okay, in the Oracle we are going to implement the SQL language. Okay, this was all about the introduction about this SQL and the data and the information. Guys, are you clear about this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Can any one of you guys respond what exactly data?
Raw collection.
Yeah, it is a raw collection. What's information?
I'm sorry, what did you say, sir?
What is meant by an information?
When the data is processed into an information.
Information, right? Very good. Okay. Suppose S number, S name, S marks. Like this it is there. Okay. Here, suppose S number, S name, S marks is there. Now tell me whether this consists of only data or else any information is there.
This is just a heading. There's no data there.
There's a data here. See here, I am taking one student table, student data example here. In that I kept the headings like this. That means the column names like this: student number, student name, and student marks. Okay. Yeah. Suppose I'm asking you guys whether any information is there in this one.
No.
No. Okay. Only data is there. What is this data? Metadata. Metadata is nothing but some data about data, some S numbers. Suppose we are having some S numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student numbers are there. Roll numbers are there. Okay. These are the roll numbers. You can see here. That is the metadata. Okay. That is the field name. Okay. This is the metadata. Okay. Here we can say this one as the data, and whatever the content that is there about the data is nothing but an information. This 1, 2, 3. Suppose for S name I can write some Sam. Okay. as well as some nozzle like this. I can write different names and the different marks also here like this, handle like that. Okay, got it? And
Yes,
this
sir.
one is the data, and this one is nothing but an information. Okay. Then we will move into the SQL starting. Okay, from starting onwards, you'll move into the SQL. Here, to manage this entire DBMS, that means DBMS, database management system, we are having the different types of utilities that are nothing but structured query language, MySQL, SQL Server. These are the different types of languages are there. Here we are going to discuss about the SQL. When we are going to the SQL, the SQL, what the exactly the abbreviation of this SQL is nothing but structured query language. Okay, structured query language. How the structured query language? What about the structured query language features? It is a very simple language. Okay, this language is somewhat different from the normal programming languages like C, C++, Java. Why? Because it is not having a specific syntax like that. It can be easily usable. That means it is not that much complicated syntax. It can be used as our general English. Okay, the language, the SQL name also itself is derived from the word called as SQL. What is this SQL is nothing but structured English query language. Okay, structured English query language. Query language. Okay, from this word the SQL was derived here. And coming to this SQL, the structured query language. Okay, how we can start the structured query language means there are different types of commands in the structured query language. Through the commands we can implement through the different types of languages and the commands we can interact with this SQL. What are the SQL was divided into? What exactly the SQL was divided into? Okay, the SQL was divided into different categories. Okay, the first one is DDL. Okay, the DDL is nothing but data definition language. Data definition language. Okay, and the second one is DML. Okay, what is DML? Is data manipulation language. Okay, and the third one is DRL. Data retrieval language. Okay, and then TCL. Transaction control language. Okay, and the fifth one is DCL. Data control language. Okay, what are the different commands will be there in this one is create, alter. I will explain you guys. I'm just listing out what are there. I will explain each and everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Drop, truncate, rename. Okay. And then coming to the data manipulation language, we are having insert. Okay. Update, delete. Got it. And then select. And then commit, roll back, save point. Okay, and then the data control language, the last one is grant, revoke. Got it, guys? These are all the different languages that were internally categorized for the SQL. Okay, if you learn all these different categories of the languages, that is nothing but DDL, that is nothing but the data definition language, which are having these commands create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. And as well as for these different languages, data manipulation language, data retrieval language, transaction control language, and the DCL, data control language. These are all the different commands that we will use for these languages. If you learn all these commands, then you are good with the SQL. You can say that you are good with the basic SQL. Okay. Yeah. let us see what are exactly the different types of languages, and we will see the examples for this one. Okay, let us see. First one, I'm starting with the DDL. Okay, I will not go with the order, but I will cover, but the end of the class I can cover all this one. Okay, DDL. What exactly the DDL is? The DDL is nothing but the data definition language. Data definition language is nothing but, first of all, suppose we are having some particular table called a student table. Okay, in the student table we are having S number, S name, okay, S marks. Okay, like this it is there. Suppose I want to create a particular table. Suppose to enter a particular data into the table, first of all I need to create a table, right, in our database. After that I am going to enter into the data like that. First of all, the basic requirement is I need to create a table which consists of column names, as some column names, S number, S name, S mark, and some data in that one. Okay, for the create we will use the data definition language. That means to enter the data we need some data definition language. First we need to define the data. Okay, for that we can use the language called as data definition language. In that, the first one is nothing but create. What exactly the syntax for this create? Okay, the syntax for create is nothing but create table name, okay, and opening brace, and the first column name or field name. We will call this one as field name or column name. That one is field 1. Okay, data type. Okay, data type of size. At the similar way, we are having the another field, right? This is the field 1, S number. At the same way, we are having the another field. Okay, what are the fields? Suppose I am saying field 2. Okay, data type of size. Okay, like this I'm having different fields. Field N, field N. Okay, some data type of size, and again I'm closing the brace which I opened here. Okay, which I opened here, I am closing that brace here and putting semicolon. Okay, for every SQL we will have the prompt called as SQL in the command prompt. Okay, let us see. Suppose for a student class, okay, so sorry, for a student table, I need to create a table called a student table. How I can create a student table? By this syntax. Okay, by this syntax, how I can create the student table? Like this. Create, okay, table. Create and table are the keywords. Okay, what is the table name we are using here? Student, right? Then I can give the table name as student. Okay, what is this angular braces means? To understand, we should give the table name here, not the table name. Why I didn't give the angular braces? Why I didn't given the angular braces here means these are the keywords exactly we need to use. Create table, student, okay, and then opening brace. What is the field 1 here? What is the field 1 here? S number. Okay, here I am using the data type number. Okay, what is the number means? This is the data type which we are using. This is the data type which you are using to take the data as the numbers. Okay, just consider this one. Number is one of the data type, okay, which you are using to take the numbers. What is this 10 means? Up to 10 numbers we can accept. Suppose I am giving this 1 2 3 as the roll number. How many numbers are there here? 3 numbers are there. Suppose I can give like this, some 10 numbers, up to 10 numbers I can give this size. That is the size here, number of 10. Suppose you wish to take some 20 numbers, you can take 20 numbers. Okay, got it? Is there much disturbance from my end?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay. S number. And what's the another field, next field? Guys, what's the next field? You taken the S number. What's the next field? S name. Yeah, unmute yourself, guys. No problem. S name, right? Okay. Here for S number we are giving some numbers. For S name we are giving some characters, right? Name is in characters, alphabets, right? such a way we are having one data type called as varchar. Okay, we are having the data type called as varchar in SQL that can accept up to 10 characters. Okay, or else if you are giving here 20, it can accept up to 20 characters. Okay, as a name and then S marks. Okay, S marks number of 10. And again I'm closing the brace like shown here in the syntax. Okay, and then semicolon. That's it. What will be the output means? It will show the table created. It will show it as output as table created. Okay, to enter a particular data, we need to create a table. Okay, how we can create the table is by using this syntax. Okay, let us see whether the same thing is working in here or not. Okay, I am creating one table. Okay, create table, table name. What is the table name? Student. Okay, student, and I'm opening one brace, S number of 10. Okay, and then S name varchar of 10. Okay, and then S marks number of 10. Okay, and I'm closing the brace here and I'm putting semicolon. Okay, let us see whether the student table is already existing or not. No, student table is not there. Okay, so I'm selecting this one and I'm executing this one. You can execute the program here. You can execute this one, run. Okay, what is the output we got?
Table student created.
Table student created. Okay, it's shown that table student created, but whether we can, how we can confirm this table student created? Okay, the table student created, let us see. Commit this operation. Okay, commit this operation, and how we can confirm that the table was created is we are having the another keyword DESC, that is nothing but describe. Okay, describe table name. What is this table name? Student. Okay, describe this table name, student. Okay, and you can click on the run option. Now you can see the metadata. Right, guys, are you able to view this?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the metadata? S number of 10. S name varchar 2 of 10. S marks number of 10. Suppose already there is a table that was created already in your database. Okay, you can view that. You can view the metadata of the table, that what is the column names and what are the field names and what are the data types that are using by using the keyword called as DESC. That is nothing but to describe. Describe. Okay, this is the comment line. Double hyphens are nothing but comment lines. This is the SQL will not consider this one as the commands. Okay, just to understand for you guys, I'm writing here describe. To describe a particular table, we are using the keyword called as DESC table name. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Here I created one table. Okay, by using the syntax called as create table name. Okay, and now I need to insert some values into the table, right? The student table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, how I can insert the values into the table? By using, I already told you guys, another language is there, that is nothing but data manipulation language. In that, what is the command we are having?
Insert.
Insert. This command is used to insert the values into the particular table. Okay, this command is used to insert the values into the particular table. How we can insert the values? Okay, we can insert the values in two ways, by value method and by address method. Okay, got it? See, simply like create, we are having the another one called as insert. Okay, how we can insert? We can insert in two methods. The first one is the value method and the second one is the address method. Okay, how we can insert through the value method? Let us see. The value method we can insert like this. Here itself only I'm writing the syntax as well as the this one. Okay, guys. Okay, see. Now you're able to view the screen larger, right? Clear, right? This screen?
Yes.
See here, I'm writing the syntax like this. Insert into. Into is also a keyword. What is the table name we are going to insert here? Student, right? student, okay, values, insert into student values of, what is the first field? S number. Okay, S number means I'm giving it as 1. Okay, why? Because we inserted in numbers. And the S name, what is the data type for the S name?
Character.
Character. The character should always enclosed within a single quotes in the SQL. Okay, suppose I'm giving it as Sam. Okay, and then comma, what is the last one? Number. For the number I can write some marks, some 100 marks. Okay, let us execute this one and see whether this one is executing or not. Insert into table name values, the what are the values are there here, the values we are inserting. Okay, yeah, execute. What it shows? One row inserted. Okay, one row inserted. Okay, let us, this is called as value method. That means we are directly giving the values. Okay, this is called as value method. The another method is called as address method. The another method is address method. How we can write the address method? The same syntax, insert into table name, that is student. Okay, values, insert into table name student values of ampersand. I'm using the concept, a new symbol called as here ampersand. The ampersand is called as address of operator. Ampersand is called as address of operator. Ampersand, what is the first field name here? S number. Okay, comma. And what is the second field name here? S name. Okay, comma. Ampersand. What is the third field name? S marks. Okay. Got it. Let us execute this one. Oh, sorry. Let us execute this one. Okay, what it is prompting for?
S number.
S number. That means no need to give the values directly here. We can give like this also. It is S number. Okay, I am giving the S number as 1. Okay, and then what it is prompting for?
S name.
Oh, sorry, I'm cancelling this one. Okay, I'm cancelling this one. I'm executing. Already given the 1 value, right? Okay. It is asking S number. I'm giving the 2. Okay, and then S name. What is the S name? Suppose some I'm giving the S name, some example as some Ravi. Okay, S name. And what are the S marks? Some 90 marks I got. Okay, I'm giving the 90. Okay, then what is the output? One row inserted. Okay, one row inserted. Got it? This is called as address method. That is nothing but whenever we are using the ampersand symbol, that is nothing but we are not directly giving the values here. We are giving some address of operator, ampersand S number, ampersand S name, ampersand S marks, like this. Okay, that type of concept is called as inserting the values using the address method. Okay, here see, this is the syntax and the example for the inserting the values using the address method. Okay, now I created one table. Okay, to after creating the table, suppose if I want to view the metadata for the particular table, I'm using the keyword called as DESC, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what is DESC? Describing, such that we can see the metadata whatever there in the table name. Okay, like this, the metadata. Okay, see the metadata like this: student number, student name some varchar 2 of 10, student marks are number of 10. Like this, I am describing. Okay, that means after creating the table, I can confirm with the DESC command. Now here I am inserting the values for a particular table. How can I confirm that the values are there in the table, or else how can I see the values are there in the table? Okay, for that we are having the option called as select. Okay, we are having the option called as select. I already told you guys there are different languages itself that are categorized in the SQL. That is nothing but data definition language, data manipulation language, and data retrieval language. What is the command here we are having?
Right.
select. Okay, which type of language it is? Data retrieval language. Okay, what is the syntax for data retrieval language? That is nothing but the select command. Okay, select. Okay, I want to retrieve all the fields. That is nothing but asterisk symbol, star. Okay, select star from student. Okay, let us see what will be the output here after executing this one. Okay, what is the output? See, I entered one value and cancel, that's it, right? So null values are inserted here. Leave this one or else I will delete this one. Okay, it's not deleting, it is not taking the value. If I'm giving the condition 1, the entire one, these 2 rows will be deleted. Okay, ignore this row and consider these are the values which we are inserted here. 1 Sam 100 and 2 Ravi 90. These are the 2 rows we are inserted. Okay, that's why we got the 3 fields here. Suppose here what I'm doing is select star from student, right? Okay, select star means all the fields which are there in the table student, the retrieve those field names along with the value names. Okay, like that I'm giving the condition here. Suppose I want to retrieve only the S number field. Here the 3 fields are there, right? I want to retrieve only the S number field here. Select S number from student. Select S number from student. What is the output? 1 1 2. Got it? Now tell me guys, suppose I want to retrieve only S name. What will be that? Select
Star.
Why star? Star means all the fields, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to retrieve only the S name.
Select S name from student.
S name from, good, S name from student. Okay, select S name from student. You need to select the particular statement. Okay, and you need to click on the run. Okay, here it is retrieving only the S number, S name. Okay, suppose I want to retrieve only S marks. Select S marks from student. Okay, that's it.
That's a typo.
Yeah, S marks. S marks. Okay, suppose I want to get, there are exactly 3 fields, right? S number, S name and S marks. Okay, I want to retrieve 2 fields that I want S number and S name. Simply I can use comma S name. Yeah, type error, this one again. S name, S number, S name. Similar, I can retrieve S name and S marks also. These are all the select commands. I think you got clear about these 3 commands. Create, okay, describe, the 4 commands. Describe, insert, and as well as the select, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Here we are having the SQL, the structured query language. Internally, it is categorized into different types of languages: data manipulation language, data definition language, data retrieval language. Up to the 3 things we discussed up to now. What is the data definition language is? Here in the data definition language, we can create the tables and alter the tables as well as the drop the tables. Okay, and as well as the rename also we can done using the data definition language. Here in the data definition language, at the starting we use the command called as create. Okay, in the create we just created the table. After creating the table, what is the syntax for creating a table? By using this create statement, this syntax, we can create the table. After creating the table, if we want to see what exactly the metadata in the table, okay, we can use the keyword called as describe, DESC. Okay, the keyword is DESC, table name, semicolon. Okay, after creating the table, we confirm. After confirming that the table was there in our database, okay, we need to insert the values into the table. How we can do that one is by using the insert method. How many ways we can insert the values?
2 ways.
Yeah, what is the first method?
Value method and second is address method.
Address method. Value method is nothing but we are directly giving the values in the insert statement, and the address method is nothing but we are giving some ampersand in the field names, ampersand s number, ampersand s name, and ampersand s mark. Like that, we are giving the address method. Suppose I am executing this one. Okay, suppose for a value method, if I want to insert some other values, okay, again I need to give all the values in the statement itself only, and I need to execute. For address method, I can execute the same statement again. Okay, I can execute the same statement again, and I can give the values like this: some 3, okay, some name, okay, y, okay, and as well as some marks 99. Obviously, the row will be inserted. And when we are selecting now, that means if we want to see what exactly the data in the table name, okay, we can see like this: select star from student. Select star from student. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here, this option is there, right? The commit. Okay. This commit is nothing but for DML. That is nothing but the data manipulation language. Okay. For the data manipulation language, when we are performing some data manipulation language commands, we need to commit every time. That means commit is nothing but, here see, commit is nothing but I was done with the transaction, I can commit. That means I can finalize the changes here. Okay, like that, if you want to intimate to the database, okay, you can simply say this one as commit. Okay, for this one, data definition language, these are all the auto commit commands. That means we need not to again commit here. This will be auto committed. The database can understand if the user created a particular table, I can take it as a final. He created the table. If he done some alterations on the table, I can finalize. He done the alterations on the table. Again, I can't expect. There is no need to expect the commit from the user. Okay. And whereas in the DML language, suppose you are inserting some values into the table, or else you are updating the values into the table. Suppose your user done the inserted some values. Okay, the DBMS will expect the commit from the user. That means whether the user was confirmed that these are the final changes he done. Okay, such that it will expect the commit. Okay, that is nothing but the option here, commit. Okay, with that option you can do the commit, or else by using the command called as COMMIT, commit semicolon. Okay, commit semicolon and execute this. Okay, committed. What is the output here? Committed. Okay, that means the changes done by the user are finalized. Like this, the database will understand. Okay, got it, guys? For data definition language, one second. For data definition language, there is no necessity to commit each and every time. Okay, for data manipulation language, we need to commit every time. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes we will insert some values into the database, and we will use this table name in some other like ETL tools like data space or else Informatica like this. We will use this. One sec, guys. Yeah, sometimes we will insert these values and we will not commit these operations, and we will use these table names into some other ETL tools like Informatica or the data space or else Hadoop. Okay, then this data will not be inherited there. Why? Because we didn't done the commit operation. Okay, that means whenever you are using the DML operation, you should use the commit. Okay, if you are finalized with the changes, if you are okay with the changes, you can confirm that commit operation. Got it, guys? That is the commit. Okay. Now see, select star from student. what will be the output here?
Table.
What will be the output? What are the fields it will retrieve for this command?
All students.
All the fields in the student, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what are all the fields in the student? S number, S name, and S marks. Okay. When I am selecting select star from student, it will retrieve all the fields. I want to retrieve only the row. That means only the row which is having only the student number 3. Got it? I want to retrieve only the row who is having the student number as 3. Okay. For that, I can use the where condition in the select statement. Where, okay, it will automatically show where S number, okay, where S number equal to 3. That means what it will understand means it will select all the rows from the student where S number equal to 3. Suppose there are 2 rows with S number equal to 3. Okay, it will retrieve all the rows with S number equal to 3. Let us see whether this output is whether this statement is working fine or not. Okay, what it retrieved? 3 y 99, right? Got it, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose I'm selecting star from student, it is retrieving all the rows. Okay. Now say me, how many rows are there with the student number 1?
I'm sorry, what's it?
2.
Yeah. How many rows? I'm asking how many rows are there with the student number 1? Obviously there are 2 rows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Such that suppose when I'm giving the condition as where is the keyword? Where S number equal to 1. Okay. Suppose I'm executing like this. Okay. How many rows it retrieved?
2.
2 rows it retrieved. Got it? Guys, can I proceed into the another next command?
Yes.
Sure.
Any doubts up to now? Yeah. See here, simply we are using this SQL language, and there are different categories in the SQL language. First, why this SQL we are using here is nothing but to organize, to manage the large collection of the data. Suppose here, generally to set a particular roll number 1 or roll number 3, it will take a lot of time to set each and every record, right? Suppose I written a condition on the particular database like this. Okay, select star from student where the student number equal to some 9,999. It will retrieve immediately in 0.0003 seconds. Okay, it will retrieve the particular row simply. Okay, but manually if you need to search means it will take a lot of time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the advantage with the SQL. Okay, and these are the different types of commands. These are the different types of the commands. Okay, we are using in the SQL. The first one we can use the create. That is used to create the particular table. Okay, and then for inserting we are having the 2 methods. What are those? Value method and address method. Okay, with that address method we are using the ampersand symbol, and then whenever we are doing this DML operation, that is nothing but insert, we need to commit. Okay, and then for selecting the student we are using the data retrieval language, that is nothing but the select. Okay, in the select condition we can implement a particular in the select statement. In the select statement we can implement a particular where condition. Okay, how means select star from student where S number equal to 1, like this. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see. Okay, this was the output. Okay. Okay, this is the output. Okay, suppose I want to here the roll number is 1, right? Suppose here the roll number is 2, right? There may be a chance in the correction. Suppose it is not necessary that we can have the data every time correctly. We need to update sometimes, right? That means suppose these marks are incorrect for the Ravi. Okay, these marks are wrong. The exact marks for the Ravi are 91. Okay, 91. That time what I can do is again I can't insert 2 Ravi 99. Why? Because there will be redundancy of the data. That means the repetition of the data will be there. Okay, such that what is the option the SQL is giving to us is nothing but the update command. Okay, the SQL is giving the option called as update command. See here, we are having the another command called as update command, which is used to update the values which are already there in the table. Okay, simply how can I write the update command? Here I want to update the marks for Ravi as 100. Sorry, so as 91. Okay, I can take the condition like this. Update, what is the table name we are using? Update table name student. Okay, and we are using the another keyword called as set. Update table name set. What we need to set? What we need to update the field? S marks. S marks equal to 91. Okay, where I need to set the marks as the 91? Where the S number equal to 2 or the S number equal to S name equal to Ravi. Okay, here I am giving the condition where S number equal to 2. Okay, where S number equal to 2. Or the other invalid identifier. Okay. Yeah, S marks. Yeah, let us see the output now. Okay, good. Okay, what is shown the output? One row updated. Okay, that means previously the output is having the result. Okay, previously the output is, I am pinning this output to clearly understand the difference between the two outputs. Previously the Ravi is having the value 90, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are updating the Ravi marks as 91. Okay, where S number equal to 2. That means the S number who is having the 2. Okay, we are updating for him the 91. Why? Because I'm not going with the Ravi. It is every time to better to choose the where condition with the unique numbers. Why? Because in a particular class there will not be two students with having the same roll number, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, at that cases you need to choose this type of conditions. S number equal to 2, S number equal to 3, like that. Okay, now I am selecting the student and let us see whether the changes are inherent in the table or not. Okay, see what is the output? 91. Previously it is 90 and now we got the output as 91. Okay, then what we understand by this? The syntax for update command is nothing but, okay, I will write it in notepad, guys. The syntax is, okay, what is the syntax for this one is update. Update is the keyword, and what is the student? It's a table name. Okay, and set is the keyword, and what is the field name you want to update? Suppose I want to update marks. Okay, field name. Okay, where some particular condition you can write here. Okay, where some particular condition you can write here. Okay, some particular condition you can write here like this. This is the syntax for update command. I'm keeping here, guys, so that you can understand. Okay, I'm not again going to the notepad. One sec. That's it. This is the update command. Again, now say me whether this update command is the data definition language or else this one is the data manipulation language.
Data manipulation.
Okay, data manipulation language needs commit by the user or else it is an auto commit command.
Commit by the user.
Commit by the user. That means whenever I'm updating this command, okay, I need to commit again, right? So I am committing here. Okay, such that the changes will be finalized. Okay, guys, the changes will be finalized. Okay, that's it. Okay, up to now clear. We discussed about the create statement, okay, insert statement, and then insert by using a value method and the address method, as well as we taken the another one called as select, and select using where condition, and then update using the update using the where condition. Okay, got it?
May I stop you for a minute? I'm a little confused here.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I mean, you're writing all these query language, but the thing is, like, where to put the semicolon, where to put the equal sign. I'm getting the commands, like, what are you explaining? I'm totally getting it, but
Okay.
how to use them? Like, where do I have to put the semicolon, or where do I have to put the comma? How do I know?
Okay, good question. See here, for create, I already given you the syntax, right?
Yes.
Yeah, suppose see. Okay, this is the syntax I given.
Yes.
Suppose create I used. Okay, table I used. Okay, for student, what is the thing I kept here? Table name, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then opening brace, I given the opening brace clearly. Okay, and then field one, that means what is the field name we are using. Okay, and then data type, number I am using here, and then opening brace I given, and the size you can specify here. Now comma means when we are using the multiple fields. Okay, suppose S number, S name, S marks, I am extending the number of fields here. At that time I need to use the comma here. Okay, when I completed, that means here the field 1 I use comma, field 2 comma, field 3 so on comma, field n. That means when I am extending my statement, I can use commas. Okay, and at last I closed this one. I given the closing brace also. That means I can say my statement is completed, my create statement is completed. That I can indicate with the semicolon. See, semicolon. Okay, that means semicolon is the terminator operator. Okay, that is indicate the statement is completed. Okay, the statement is completed.
Okay.
Now you clear about this commas and semicolons in this statement?
Now I understand.
Yeah. Okay, suppose here describe the table name. This statement is completed. Such a way I am giving semicolon, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Insert into table name values. Here I am giving the values 1 for the another field. I am giving another field value, so comma, and I am giving another field values, comma. At last I enter the statement. What is the thing I need to use here now? Semicolon. Okay. That means I entered the statement, insert statement. So I use this semicolon. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Clear? Shall I proceed into the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here also S number comma S name from student. At last I use semicolon. Okay, that's it. Okay, suppose you want to update some multiple fields. Here also you can say comma S name equal to some value like this. You can use here comma also. Whenever you are using the multiple fields, you will use the comma, and whenever you enter the statement, you will use the semicolon.
What about the equal sign? What's equal sign when you
Equal
have?
sign. Very good. Yeah, equal sign. I will discuss all the operators. At that time, you can understand the equal sign. Okay. Can you hold up to that time? This doubt. I will definitely clear your doubt. Can you hold up to that time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. This equal to is nothing but assignment operator, which is used to assign some particular values to the field names. Suppose I am assigning 91 to the S marks. I am using this equal to as the assignment operator. Okay. What are the different types of operators are there? I will explain each and everything, guys. Okay. I will not leave anything, minor thing also. Okay. Just hold this dot up to that time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then update command completed, and then we will go for the another command called as delete command. Okay, delete command. Let me take a backup first. Create. No need to worry about this query. I will explain this one also. Okay. 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 It is not getting 1 minute. Okay, what I done is I created another table, student backup table. I taken all the data which is there in the student table into the student backup table. How I done is I will explain in the next statement, later on statements. Okay, just see. So if I can explain now also, but you will get little bit confused. Okay, our intention is to explain the delete command. Okay, now I am having one table called as student backup table. In that, this one is the data. Okay, now clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I need to delete the student table. Okay. Now I need to delete the student table. Actually, how I can delete the student table? Data means, information means simply delete. Okay. Delete. What is the table name? Student backup, right? Student backup. Okay. Where? Here. Suppose I want to delete this record. 1 Sam 100. Okay. Or else 1 null. Suppose I given S number equal to 1. S number equal to 1. Okay. If I am executing this one. Okay. How many rows deleted? Show the output. 2 rows deleted. Let us see. How many rows are there with the student number 1? 2 rows are there, right? Okay. I am pinning this output. Okay. There are 2 rows with the student number 1. Okay. When I am now selecting the student backup, how many rows are there now? Only 2 rows. What about the rows with the student number 1? Deleted. Okay. After deleting, whether I need to commit?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because delete is also a data manipulation language. Delete is also a data manipulation language. So I am needing to commit. Okay. Suppose I am not committing. What I am doing is I am doing like this. Rollback I am doing. Okay. Rollback I done. And now I am selecting the student backup. Okay. What did happen? Same what happened?
Came back.
Yeah, that means suppose you deleted some particular rows. Okay, there may be a chance that you deleted some particular rows. Okay, and you want to again return those rows into our table. What is the command that is having means roll back. Okay, we can again roll back. Okay, suppose I deleted the particular. Sorry guys. Yeah, there's
Okay.
a problem with my keyboard actually. Yeah.
So when you when you type rollback and semicolon, but how the system know what to roll back? Like, you know, isn't like you should write it down.
The last operation which we done up to last operation, okay, up to before commit, it will done. Okay, I will explain you this difference here now. Suppose I am deleting this S number equal to 1. Okay, I am executing this one. How many rows deleted? 2 rows deleted. And when I am selecting the student backup, okay, the output will be only 2 rows. Why? Because the roll number with 1, S number with 1 will get deleted, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and now when I'm again roll back, okay, what is the thing happening here is the 2 rows will get back again, and when I'm now selecting student backup, that rows will get here. Suppose I deleted the same statement again, okay, and I'm checking this student backup. I'm checking this student backup. There are no rows. Now I'm committing. Okay, now I'm committing. Okay, now I done the rollback. Done the rollback. Now select the student backup table. Whether the rows came?
No.
No. Why?
Because that was
That's
the last
committed.
one.
Yeah, because we committed. Committed means we are saying to the database, this is the final. This is the final. You can finalize this one. Okay. After finalizing, after committing, we can't roll back again. Okay. After committing, we can't roll back again. Now you got it. How, by which place it can roll back, up to which place it can roll back. Now you understand, right?
Yeah. What if we, okay, just say if we committed it and then you wanna roll back. So then you have to update, and then if you wanna bring back the whatever we deleted,
then we can't bring back. Why? Because we committed the transaction, right? After committing the transaction, we can't bring the data back.
Okay.
Before committing the transaction only we can perform this rollback. Okay. After committing the transaction, we can't bring the data back.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose here delete table name. Okay. Where condition, where student number equal to 1. That means what it is happening, only the student number with 1 only it is getting deleted, right?
Yes.
Now I am writing like this: delete student underscore bsec.kup. That is nothing but table name. Okay. Suppose now I am writing like this: delete student backup. What will happen? Can you guys expect?
Yeah, it's gonna delete the backup.
Enter backup, enter table.
Could you repeat that? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. Let us see what exactly the thing is happening here. Okay. What it said? 2 rows deleted, right? Okay. 2 rows deleted. Shall I start from student backup? Now see what is the output. Any rows are there?
No.
No. Why? Because we deleted the entire table data information. We deleted the entire table information, but the metadata is there right here: S number, S name, S mark. Okay. See here. Suppose I am when I want to see what exactly the table consists of, what is the command I can have? desc, right? Student bckup. Okay. Okay. What is there? S number, S name, S marks are there. Okay. But whether the data is there in that one, in the student backup table?
No.
No. Okay. That means we are only deleting the data inside the table, but we are not deleting the entire table. Okay. But we are not deleting the entire table. Okay. How we can delete the entire table? How we can delete the entire table? Okay. By using simply called as
Rollback.
not rollback. Rollback is whatever we deleted, we will again get it back. That is the rollback. Okay. We will use the command called as drop table student backup. Drop table student backup. The semicolon in this SQL developer page is not a mandatory. Okay. You can give or not give, it is not an issue. Okay. But when you are using in the command prompt, like this black screen is there, right? Command prompt. One sec. Okay, like this in the back screen when the SQL prompt is there, in that page you need to keep the semicolon must and should. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Drop table student backup. Now I'm executing this command. Okay, drop student table backup. What it done? What it shown the output? Table student backup dropped. Now say me. Student. One sec, guys. By office network can connect. Now see the DDL language, the drop command. Drop command is which language here?
We couldn't hear you for last 5-10 seconds. That missed.
Yeah, I muted. I didn't tell anything. What is the drop command here? Which language it is?
DDL.
DDL, data definition language. Whether it needs any commit?
No.
No. Okay, it is an auto commit. That means if you want to get the rollback again, it will not get. Okay, let us see. Suppose describe the student backup. What will be the output? Let us see. What is shown the error?
It does not exist.
Student backup doesn't exist, right? That means the entire table deleted. Okay, the entire table deleted. Whereas in the delete command, what is the delete command done? Remember guys, remember. Just think in a general way. Why? Because you
The
can't be
delete command
perfect in the first class. Okay, delete. What the delete done?
Just
Only data deleted.
Yeah, only data deleted. Whereas in the drop command, it deleted the entire table with the
Table.
metadata. That means this S number, S name, S marks also not coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose now I'm doing the rollback. Okay, rollback.
Will not get.
Yeah. Why? Because it is an auto commit command. Okay, rollback completed. And now I am describing the student backup. Let us see whether it is there or not. What it shown? Student backup does not exist. That means it is not getting the table. That means whenever you are using the SQL at the real time, you should be very careful and you should be very alert that you should not use the drop command in a general way. Okay, the drop command if you are using means generally you will not have that access, but you are an administrator, you will have the access. Okay, if you are use the drop command means you will not get the table back again. Okay, so be careful with this drop command. Okay, for delete command you can delete the command and you can delete the command and you can roll back it again. Why? Because it is not an auto commit. But drop, if you are once you drop the command, the entire table structure will get off, including the data. Okay, and you will not get it roll back again. That is the difference between the delete and the drop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, again I am creating the backup table. See, I am executing this command. When did we start at the class? 8:30, right?
Yes, sir.
8:30. Yeah. When I am seeing the student backup table, this is the student backup table. Now again I created. Okay, previously deleted. Again I created. Okay. Now I am using the another command called as truncate. Okay. Truncate table name. Truncate table. What is the table name? Student backup is the table name. Okay. Now there are 4 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows here. Okay. Now I am truncating this one. Okay, what it shown the output? Table truncated. Okay. Now I am selecting the table student backup. Guys, is it making sense what I'm doing?
I'm trying to understand what is truncate means.
Yeah, I will explain. Just I'm showing the output what exactly it is going. Okay. See here. Any rows are there?
No.
No.
No, right? Why? Because no rows are there because truncate is the command, another command, okay, which will delete the rows, not the entire table. Only it will delete the rows, okay, in the table. But when I am rollbacking, why? Because see here, what is the truncate? Which command is this truncate? Data
Data definition.
language. That means, yeah, it is also a auto commit. Okay. When I am doing the rollback again, I executing rollback complete. And when I am selecting the student backup,
Will not get.
okay, it will not get. Why? Because it is an auto commit. That means the delete and the truncate will be used as a similar way. Delete is also used for deleting the data and truncate is also used for deleting the data. But after deleting the data using the delete command, we can get the data back again by using the rollback. But when we are using with the truncate, we can't get the data back again using the rollback. Why? Because it is an auto commit command. It is a DDL command. Okay. Observe, that is the first difference. It is a very important interview question. What's the difference between the delete and truncate command? Both commands are used for, okay, both commands are used for deleting the rows, deleting the data in a table. But the delete is an command which we can again roll back, but the truncate is an auto commit command which we can't again roll back the data. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. And another difference, another main difference, in the delete command we will use the where condition, right? Suppose for deleting a particular rows, we will use the where condition, where s number equal to 1.
Yeah.
Okay, that means we are deleting a rows at a specific condition. Suppose I want to delete only one row with having the student number equal to 1. I can delete by using the condition delete where s number equal to 1. Okay, but I can't use the where condition in the truncate. I can't use the where condition in the truncate. Suppose I am giving anyway table is not there, right? I am again creating the table. And again I'm creating the table. Okay, already table is there. Let me drop the table. Why? Because only data is deleted, table is not deleted, right? Okay, okay, and then I'm selecting. Now clearly see, this is the data. Okay, I want to delete the rows where the s number equal to 1. Okay, where s number equal to 1. What is the condition I can write using the delete? Delete student backup where s number equal to 1, right? If I'm executing this command, okay, 2 rows deleted, and when I'm selecting the student backup table, okay, student backup table, these are the roll numbers with 1 will get deleted, and these are the 2 rows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now the same thing I am applying with the truncate. Okay, the same thing I am applying with the truncate. What I'm applying with the truncate? See. Excuse me. Yeah, see here. This is the table name. Now I want to delete the rows only having the s number equal to 1 using the truncate. Okay, whether I can do that one, let us see. Where s number equal to 1. Okay, now if I am executing this condition, let us see what will happen. What is thrown the error? Invalid truncate option, right? Invalid truncate option. That means whether I can use the where condition with the truncate.
No.
Like you,
No.
no.
Only for deleting tables.
Above, yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
only for the delete command I can use the where condition, but for the truncate I can't use the where condition. Okay. Oh guys, up to now clear. I will again repeat this one. Up to now clear. What exactly the difference between the delete and the truncate? Both commands are used to delete the rows. Okay. For delete, if we use the delete command, whether we can roll back again?
Yes.
Yes. For truncate?
No.
No. Whether we can use the where condition for the delete?
Yes.
For truncate?
No.
That's it. That is the difference between the truncate and the delete. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let us see what exactly the commands we discussed up to now. What is the create command? Why this command will be used? Let me ask guys. Not this exactly. I am asking the question just to recall it again. Okay. Think like that. You're just recollecting this one again. Okay. Why exactly this create command is used?
To create table.
To create table. Okay. And then what is this describe? Nazir, unmute yourself. Yeah, what did it describe? Guys, anyone respond please?
Describe the contents of the file.
Describe is for?
Describing the contents
Display
of
the
the
to
file.
display the district.
To
Table
display the
table.
to display the metadata of the table. Okay. Metadata, that means what are the column names are there? What are the column names are there? Okay. And what are the data types are there? We are describing the table name. Suppose I executed this command. Okay. What will be the output? What are the column names are there? And what are the data types for the particular columns will be displayed, right? Now,
Yes.
say me, what is the insert method? How many ways we can insert the table?
Two ways.
Two ways, value method and address method. Directly we can insert the values like this, or else by using the ampersand address of operator we can insert the values. Which one is easy? Either value method or address method?
Address.
Address method. Why? Because we can't give each and every time the statements. Okay, directly we can give the values by writing the statement at one time. What is this commit?
Finalize or
Final execution.
Yeah, right. Finalizing the execution. Okay. The commit means we are committing the transaction. Okay. And we can't roll back again once we get committed. Okay. Before committing only we can get the we can get the rollback. Okay. And then what is this select?
Select this table. Selecting a table.
Retrieving.
Selecting a field.
retrieving.
Selecting. Yeah, retrieving the data which is in the table. Retrieving the data which is there in the table. Star means asterisk means
All the data.
all the columns. Okay. Suppose I want to retrieve only specific columns, I will mention the column names here, field names here. Fields are columns, same. Okay, field names are column names. When I'm using the terminology field names and column names, this both terminologies means to the single one. Okay, like this. And then what is the delete?
To delete something.
To delete not something, to delete rows.
Rows.
Okay?
Yeah, delete
Yeah.
rows.
Rows. Okay. Suppose I'm saying 1 Sam 100. This is one row. Or else the rows or records. For the columns we can call it as fields or column names. For the rows we can call it as records or rows. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we are selecting. Okay. Select as name as marks. Okay, like this. And what is the delete? Delete the rows or records. Whether we can use the delete where condition in the delete?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And then update. What is the update?
Updating the record.
Updating the record, updating the field name. Okay. Updating the record or updating the field value with some new value. Okay. By specifying some condition. Okay. Here I am updating the SMARS equal to 91 where for the S number 2 for the roll number 2. Okay. And then what is this rollback?
Go back.
Last,
Whatever we deleted to get back.
Not only deleted, what are the transactions we done before, we will get the rollback again the transaction. Okay. That will be applied only for the DML, not for the DDL. Okay. Got it?
yes.
Yeah. Then truncate. What is this truncate?
Truncate is deleting the whole table.
Deleting the not whole table, deleting the data,
Value,
the
data,
records
yeah.
in the table, entire table. Whether we can use the where condition in the delete in the truncate?
No.
No. Okay. Then at last command, what is the drop command?
Deleting the whole table.
Deleting the whole table, including the metadata. We can't describe the data also. The table also will not exist. That type of command is called as drop command. You should be very careful when we are using the drop command and the truncate command. Why? Because these are auto commit commands which we can't get back the data again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear, right?
Yeah. Can I ask one question? I didn't want
Yeah,
to.
sure.
Okay, we see the table S number, S name, and S mark. Okay, we created the table. Can we add one more field? Not field. I would say
Column.
One more
column.
field.
Yeah, column. One more column.
One more field or one more. Yeah,
No,
right. Well, yes, we can do that.
Okay. Just say like, after the S mark, if we want to create, just say pass or fail.
Yeah, right. We can add.
We can have like remarks.
Yeah, remarks, whatever.
Yeah, we can have that one. Shall we do that one?
Yeah,
We will
please.
discuss that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. Yeah, how we can do that one is simply by using the next command called as alter command. Okay. What was that? Alter. I told that alter. Okay. Suppose we done some transactions and we created some table, and now I want to add a new column to the particular table. How I can add that one? Okay. How I can add that one is nothing but alter. How I alter the table is alter. Okay. Table name. What is the table name we are going to add here?
Remarks.
No, table name. You are telling me the field name, right? Remarks is the field name.
Student.
Column name. Yeah.
Column.
Okay. Yeah, student. Okay. Alter table student. Okay. And then add is the keyword. Add. Okay. And then column name. Okay. What is the column name you asked me? Remark. Okay. In that remarks, generally what you will enter? Simply you will enter it as in the characters, right? Characters. Varchar of 10. Okay. And then semicolon. Let us see what will happen if I executed this command. Table student altered. Now let us describe this table. Describe student. Okay. Let's see what will be the output. What is the new field we added here?
Remarks.
Let us select the data. Select star, that is asterisk, from what is the table name? Student. Okay. Let us see the output, what is going to be executed. See, remarks. Whether we given any values to the remarks?
No.
No. Such a way, what are the values here?
None.
Null. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whether doubt clear?
Yes. Would you just explain one more thing? What is the remarks? After that, you wrote down varchar.
Yeah, varchar is nothing but the data type, which is data type means suppose we are entering some data. The data may be numbers, the data may be characters, the data may be images, the data may be files, audio files, like that, right? Here
Okay.
I want in the remarks, generally what we will enter? We will enter the data as the characters, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Alphanumeric.
To accept the alphanumeric, right? That is also correct. To accept the character or the number, the varchar is the keyword or the data type which we are using in our SQL to accept those type of data. Okay. Up to how many characters it can accept? Up to 10 characters it can accept. Suppose I'm giving here 20. How many characters it will accept? 20 characters it will accept. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Okay. Then now you asked me one question. What is that? How we can add the column? Now say me. Suppose I want to insert the values into this remarks. How I can insert?
Insert command.
Insert command.
Insert command. Let us see whether it will work. Insert. What is the syntax? Insert into table name. What is the table name? Student. Okay. And then values. Now say me. What are the field values I need to give?
Remarks is equal to.
Remarks is equal to. Whether it will work? See. No problem. This is the general thing what the beginners will think here. Insert is nothing but when we are inserting some particular values. Okay. That means there is no data. Such a way I am inserting that one. But here already data is there, right? See. What is this? The data? Null values. Right?
Yeah.
Instead of this null values, I need to put some values.
Alter.
Okay, I need to, instead of this null values, I need to put some values. Okay, for that, okay, I need to update those values. What is the command for that one we are using?
Update.
update, right? Suppose whatever the thing you said by using insert, suppose I'm giving like this, or how I can give like this, 1, okay, where exactly the Sam, okay, and then suppose the marks 100, at the here I can give the remarks like this, suppose like that, good, okay. In the single quotes we need to give, I told, right, single quotes, and the Sam also should be in the single quotes.
What is a single quote? I'm sorry.
Whenever we are using the varchar data type, okay, then we need the input data, single quote. Whenever you are using the number data type, there is not necessary to give the single quote, as it is a number. Okay. Now insert into student. What it will do? It will insert, right?
Yes.
One row inserted. Now I am selecting from the student whether the remarks will be inserted in the particular column 1 or not. Let us see whether it inserted here.
So
Well,
down
Sam.
No. Okay. What it done? Again it inserted another record, 1 Sam 100 good. Okay. Like this. Whether this is the requirement, what exactly we need?
No.
No. What is the requirement we need to have? Here, wherever the Sam is there, wherever the 100 is there, we need to update here the value. Okay. Let me delete that one. Okay, no problem. No need to delete. If I'm deleting means enter these 3 rows will delete. Okay, how I can do that one is update. Okay, what is the table name? Student. Sorry, spell mistake. Okay, update student. Okay, set. What I need to set? Remarks equal to good. Okay, for let us say for the roll number 2 we will do. Okay, forget this roll number 1. What are the records? Just for 2, I need to remarks as good. Okay, set remarks equal to good, where s number equal to 2. Okay, let us see what will be the output. 1 row updated. Now select star from student. Now see, for 2 what is the remarks? Good. Whether again the 2, whether the again that record for the s number 2 is again inserted?
No.
No. Okay. That means whenever you are altering, whenever you are adding a particular column, okay, for a particular table, you need, okay, the insert is not possible. The insert how it is possible means by using the update command only it can be possible. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I proceed into the next comment?
So if we hit just say if we commit at this moment, are we gonna be able to update or do anything or no with the table?
Yeah.
Or not?
Yeah. Commit means we can commit. Commit means the changes up to done is committed. Okay. Suppose you tell that commit. Okay. Yeah. Let me commit this one. Now tell me. What is the doubt?
All right. Now, if we wanna just say we wanna change the score or the marks.
Yeah, we can change that. Again, we can write the update command and we can change that one. But whatever the previous data deleted or the something we updated, again it will not revert back. Okay. Again, we can do the new changes here by using the update command. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose I'm inserting the values. Suppose you are inserting the values like this. Insert into student. I'm inserting only for the values good. I'm not inserting these values for the remaining. I'm only inserting the values for the good only. Suppose I'm trying like that. Okay. What it will show? Okay. What it will show means it will simply throw an error. Not enough values. What is the error? Not enough values. Why? Because there are 4 columns, right? S number, S name, S marks, remarks. Okay. But how many values you are producing to insert?
This one.
Only single value. At that time, it will throw an error. So whenever we want to add whenever we want to insert values into the added column for the already existing table, okay, we need to update, not insert. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, you told that suppose there is a table, I want to add a particular column to the particular table. So I given the answer, alter table name here. It is. alter table name, add remarks like this. Suppose I am asking a question like this. Suppose I want to remove a remark. Suppose I want to remove a column or field name from the table. How I can?
Remove a what?
Remove a field name. Now we added one field name, right? One column name. Yeah.
Then you
Now we need to remove one column.
we have to delete.
See, delete means what it will delete? Whether it will delete the rows or the values, or else it will delete the columns. Just don't confuse, Nazim.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, delete means what it is deleting? Only the rows. That is 1, Ravi, some 100, good, like this. The rows only it is deleting. Okay, but whenever we are, what my scenario is, I want to delete the entire column, not the rows, right?
Yes.
Drop. We can use drop.
Then yeah.
Then we can use
Drop.
drop. Where we can use the drop? Here, alter table name. Okay, I can use drop. Okay, remarks varchar of 100. Alter table name, drop column, drop column name. Okay, and then varchar of 10. Okay, here I need to add some extra keyword column. Drop column name. Previously I didn't use the column, but for dropping we need to use the column keyword. Let us not properly ended. What is
I think no need to give varchar, right? Just only remarks.
Yeah, right. Sorry. Remarks. Good. Okay. Table student altered. Let us see now. Let's see. Student. Okay. S number, S name, S marks. Whether the remarks is there?
No.
No. Okay. The remarks was deleted now. Okay. When we are seeing the data also, select star from student. Wow. Okay. Select star from student. What it will happen? It will not show the remarks column. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Now the another use case. What is the use case means? Up to now what we done is we added one column, we deleted one column. But now what is my scenario is there is a column called as S marks. Okay, or else there is a column S number. What is the data type for the S number we given?
Sorry.
Data type for the S number. What is the data type for the S number we given?
Number.
Why you are getting confused? Simply we described it, right, previously. Describe student. What is the data type we given for the S number? Number of 10. Okay. Suppose for in some cases there will be a chance that some roll numbers consist of numbers as well as the characters, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose my roll number is some 05511A0519. That means it consists of both the numbers as well as the alphabets. Okay. Let us see. At that cases, I previously given the number. Now I want to alter the field name as varchar. Now I want to alter the field name as varchar. How I can modify? By using the alter command only. Alter table. Okay. What is the table name? Student.
Where?
Okay. Previously see. What is the roll number data type? Number. Okay. Alter table student. Okay. Modify. What is the column name we need to modify? S number. Okay. What is the new data type you need to give? Varchar. Why? Because my data type, my number may consist of both alphabets and numbers. Let us execute this. Column to be modified must be empty to change the data type. Okay. Okay, no problem. See here, whenever we are changing the data type, already there is a data type in the there is a data in the particular column, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. that time what we need to do is we need to delete the data first and then we need to enter the data. Okay, suppose I am truncating truncate table student. Okay, now when I am selecting the student, there are no rows in that one. Okay, now I am trying to modify this one, order table modify. Okay, now what is done? Students table altered. Okay, previously why it doesn't alter? It is shown clearly the output. See, column to be modified must be empty to change the data type. Okay, if the data is there, we can't modify the data type. We should modify the data by emptying, by clearing the data only. Okay, now let us describe this table, student table. Previously it is number, right? Now see what is the output? What is the output? Varchar.
Okay.
Got it? Guys, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, alter. By using alter, what we can do? We can add a column, we can drop a column, we can modify the data type of a column. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, we done on the column. We done on the up to now what we done is we done the operations on the rows. That means inside the data. We done operations on the columns, fields. Okay. That means somewhat super level of the rows. That is nothing but the column names. Now I want to do some operations on the higher level. That is nothing but on the table level. I want to rename the table. How I can rename the table? By using the command called as rename. Okay, by using the command called as rename. Okay, suppose let me explain first. I can rename the column name also. Okay, I can rename the column name also. How I can rename the column name means I didn't told that one. Alter table name. Okay, rename, alter table name. Instead of modify, what I need to use? Rename. Okay, what is the column I need to rename? Okay, this one, old column name, S number. Okay, what is the new column name I need to give? I need to give, suppose I want to give like this. Okay, student underscore num. Like this I need to give. Okay, let us execute this one and let us see the output. Supplied partition or subpartition keyword is interesting. What is this partition or sub alter table name? Rename. Okay, column we need to use here. Rename column name. Okay, let us see. S number. Okay, see what is the output? Table student altered. Okay, let us see. Now describe the table student. What is the table name? What is the previous name of the column? S number. And what is the column name we change? Student number. Okay, now when I am describing this one, okay, now when I am describing this one, let us see the output. Okay, student number was changed to, guys, are you listening? Student num, S num is changed to student underscore num. Okay, that means by using the alter, we can add a column, we can drop a column, and as we can modify the data type, as well as we can rename the column name. Okay, suppose I want to rename the entire table name. How I can rename? Okay, by using simply rename. Okay, by using rename, what is the old table name? Student. Okay, old table student. I want to rename the student as some other name. Suppose I want to rename the student as student some 999 like this. Okay, let us see what is the output. Okay, student 2 succeeded. Now when I am describing the student now, whether it will get,
No.
what it is throwing error? Object student does not exist. Why? Because we changed the student name to the
Student 999.
999. Suppose now I am describing the student 999, whether it will get?
Yes.
Yes, it will get. See, student 999. Okay,
So can we roll back, student?
Roll back. What is the rename command? You
Roll
can
back.
answer yourself. See, what
Yeah,
is the rename command?
roll back.
We can, okay, no, cannot roll back. DDL.
DDL. Okay, that means auto commit. Whether you can roll back?
No.
Yeah. Yes.
No.
No.
Oh, who is that? Yes.
It was me.
Okay, actor. No. Why? Because DDL is an auto commit. I will write here. You cannot confuse. Okay. Auto commit. Okay.
Okay.
This one
I'll remember that.
is to commit by user. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I continue?
Absolutely.
Guys, three of you guys answer this question. Shall I continue the next topic or else shall I hold on up to now?
Can go ahead.
Let's hold on.
Okay, then we'll proceed. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. See here. The next important concept what we discussed is operators. Operators. Okay. What exactly this operators? I already told that I will explain that equal to sign and not equal to greater than. I already told that I will explain in the next topic, right? This is the concept where we need to explain those one. Okay. What does that mean? Means operators. How many types of operators are there? Means we are having different types of operators. Let me explain you some arithmetical. Okay. As well as the next one is comparison. Okay. And then the next one is the logical operators. Logical operators. Okay. First one coming to the arithmetical operators. What will be the arithmetical operators? What are the different types of arithmetical operators? Those are nothing but addition. Okay. That is indicated with plus. Subtraction. That is indicated with minus. Okay. And then asterisk. What is the asterisk?
Multiply.
All.
Multiplication. And then division. Okay. These are all the different types of arithmetical operators. And coming to the comparison operators. Comparison operators is nothing but less than, sorry, greater than, and then less than. Okay. Less than or equal to, comma, greater than or equal, less than or equal to, comma, greater than or equal to, comma, equal to, comma, not equal to. These are all the different types of comparison operators. That is nothing but less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Okay. And there are some more comparison operators. What are those means? Okay. Between. Okay. Not between. Okay. And then next one is in, not in. Okay. And the next one is null, not null. Okay. And the next one is like. These are all the different comparison operators which are used to compare the values which are inside the, which is the data present inside the table. Okay. And then next one is logical operators. Okay. What is the logical operators are there? Means simply and or not. Okay. These are all the logical operators, and or not. Let us explain the each and every operator with the example. Okay. Each and every operator with the example. Suppose I'm creating one table. Okay. What is the table is employee table I'm creating, or else I'm creating a particular, already we are having the student table, right? Okay. In the student table I am creating some values like some student name, number, some marks like that. Okay. Let us see. Already we are having the student backup, I think so. Okay. See, I am keeping the heading like this. I'm keeping the heading. Operators. Okay. In that operators, first we are discussing the arithmetical operators. Okay, arithmetical operators. Suppose I am selecting star from, oh, what was that? Student underscore PCKUP. Any rows are there in this table lastly? Yeah, there are rows are there. Okay. Suppose I am selecting the particular field, okay, called as S marks. What are the values in the S mark, whether it is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. By default, if any sign is not there, means it is the positive values. Okay. I want to select the S marks field like this. Select, okay, minus of S marks, okay, from student backup. Let us execute this. What will be the output? Let's see. Okay, what is the output? Minus 100, minus 91, minus 99. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means for plus we need not use the plus. Okay. At the similar way, suppose we want to add the two fields, S marks plus some as some other value which is in the numeric, we can add that one. Okay. For representing the values in the negative, we can simply write here negative. Suppose I want to represent these values in the positive, I can get the positive, or else directly I can call the values. Why? Because by default these are all positives. Okay. If there are any negative values are there, I can convert those negative values by keeping like this. Okay. By keeping plus like this. Okay. This is the arithmetical operator, plus minus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And here in the arithmetical operator, we can do the different types of calculations that we will see in the next equation. That means asterisk here there are no that much of enough columns are not there to perform the arithmetical calculation. We will move into the next operators. As the arithmetical operator is simple only. Plus, minus, division, multiplication. I hope guys you can understand, you can do that one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, or else do that one as the assignment. Okay. The arithmetical operators implement that one as the assignment. Okay. We will move into the relational operator. That is important concept. That is nothing but the relational operators or comparison operators. Okay. Comparison or relational operators. Relational operators. Okay. What exactly this relational operators or the comparison operator is? Which is used to compare the values from one values to the another value. Okay. Suppose when I am select star from student backup, when I am selecting these values, okay, what are the values here? This one. Okay. Now suppose I want to get the values only where there are greater than 90 where there are greater than 91 marks. Okay. Only the values I need to get. I want to retrieve all the student names who are having the values greater than 91 marks. Okay. How I can get that value? Select star from student. Okay. Where? Now tell me what the where condition we can write.
Student backup, right?
Yeah. Sorry for that. The student backup where? What the question I asked, guys?
Retrieve the values greater than 91.
91. What is the value? What is the value name? Field name? What is the field name value?
S mark.
Small.
S marks. S marks greater than what I told? 91. S marks greater than 91. Okay. Let us execute this. What will be the output? Let us see. See what are those? Only 199. Suppose let me pin this. Okay. Suppose when I am selecting the backup table, okay, what are the values that are greater than 91, 99 and 100? What are those fields? 1 Sam 100 and 3 YYY and 99, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. When I'm executing this command, whether they got the same output? Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, suppose now say me, I want to retrieve from the student backup table where who the student got the marks equal to 100.
The same thing. Just change 91 to 100.
100, 91 to 100. Then whether the output will come now?
Yes.
Oh, really? Let's see. Where? Where the output? What we given the condition where the S marks greater than 100. Whether there are any marks greater than 100 in the student
No,
backup
equal to
table?
100, so
Yeah, what the operator we need to use here?
less than.
Oh, equal to.
And equal.
Equal to 100. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose I want to get the marks. This is the where is the table? Yeah. This one. Let us execute again. Okay. This is the table. I want to retrieve the marks where the marks are less than 91. Now tell me what is the condition?
Less than 91.
Yeah. Student marks less than 91.
There's none.
Whether there are no rows or what? Let us clear all the output. Student backup. Yeah, there are no rows which are less than 91. Suppose I am given the 99. Okay, then less than 99. What is that one? 91. Okay, I need to get the output as 91 record. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are all the relational operators. At the similar way, in some conditions, you can use less than or equal to. That means whether the values are less than or equal to. Okay. At the same time, you may use that greater than. Okay. You may use that equal to. You may use that not equal to. Okay. Suppose there is a condition like this. I am selecting this table. Okay. For understanding purpose, I am pinning this. Okay. I am saying that now tell me. I need to get the output. Okay, that means I need to get the records which S marks are not equal to 100. What is the condition I need to write?
Sorry?
I think
Okay, what is the question I asked is, I need to get the records where the S marks is not equal to 100.
Select.
Hmm.
Select star from student backup.
Okay.
Where?
Hmm. Hmm.
Where?
S marks.
that's Marx is right.
S marks. Suppose I ask S marks should be less than 99. I given it less than 99. Okay, suppose I'm here, I'm asking where
Greater
S
than
marks
or
is not equal.
greater than equal or less than or equal.
I'm asking where the S marks is not equal to 100, right? Simply
Yeah.
whether I can write like this,
Yeah, not equal to, yes.
not equal to 100, whether I can write like this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That means the remaining records will come except the not equal to 100. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Suppose the not equal to operator can also be represented like this, less than greater than symbol. Okay. This is the symbol in the SQL, not equal to, less than greater than. Okay. This will also produce the same result. 91, 99. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. These are all the comparison operators. And the last one is the lost operators, which are the operators are nothing but logical operators. What are the logical operators? Oh, sorry. I skipped this one. What is this? Between, not between, in, not in, null, not null. I will explain that. Let me first explain this condition and or not. Okay. Guys?
Yeah, yes, sir. We are here.
Yeah. Okay. I will explain this and or not. Okay. Now, suppose I got a condition, suppose I want to display the records, okay, where the student number equal to 2 and mark should be greater than 91. That means, suppose this is the this one. Okay, this is the output for or the previous one. This is the entire values, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to get the records. Okay, whose S number equal to 2 and the records the S mark should be greater than 90. Let me write the question here. My condition is S number should be equal to 2 and S marks should be greater than 90. Okay. Now tell me. Select. Very good.
Select from select star
From
student backup.
student backup. Okay. Where
serial
S
number
S number
is equal to 2
equal to 2
and
S
mark
mark
S marks
greater than 90.
greater than 90. Oh, sorry. Greater than 90. Okay. Let us see. Suppose only if I'm not using the S number equal to S marks greater than 90 means this one will come, this one will come, and this one will come. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is also greater than 90, this is also greater than 90, and this is also greater than 90. But another condition what is given here, the S number should also be 2. That means only this record will come. Let us see whether this record is coming or not. Coming?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is the AND operator. What is the AND operator is? If and only if the both conditions are true, it will execute, it will retrieve the output, or else it will not retrieve the output. Okay. Yeah. Suppose I taken the same condition, okay, and I use the operator or instead of AND. That means this is the output. Okay, this is the condition I return. It will check first. S number equal to 2. Yes, S number equal to 2. Or S marks greater than 90. Okay, X marks greater than 90. Whether this record having the S marks greater than 90?
Yes.
This record?
More than 90.
Yes.
Yes. This record?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now see what will be the output. Okay, that means it will retrieve all the records which are having greater than 90. Why? Because it will check for the conditions, two conditions. Okay, previously in the AND operator, it will check only if the both conditions are true, it will retrieve the output. But here, if any one of the condition is true, either it may be S number equal to 2 or else S marks greater than 90. If any one of the condition is true, it will retrieve the output. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Clear, or else I need to explain one more time.
You have to watch the video.
Yeah, you watch the video. Just simply nothing but, yeah, in the query result here, the AND condition means it will check for the both conditions to be true.
Yes.
Okay. For our condition, it will check for any one of the condition is true. If S number equal to 2, okay, S number equal to 2, it will execute. It will S marks greater than 90, it will execute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the thing. And the operator. Okay. And then coming to the not, I told the another operator is there, right? Not. Okay, that one you do the assignment. Not. Okay. If any doubts are there, means just ping me. Just ping Rajesh. Okay. Not is not simply what are the operators I told here. Okay. And or not. Okay. Not is nothing but some condition where S number equal to 2 we are writing, right? Suppose like this you can write where not S number equal to 2. We can write directly like that. Okay, accept the S number 2. Okay, this is like negotiation. Accept the S number 2, remaining will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if S number equal to 2, we will get all the records which are having the S number equal to 2. Like this. Okay. If I am writing not S number equal to 2, then the records which are not having the S number equal to 2 will get. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah. And there are some more operators, right? Between, not between, in, not in, like this are there, right? Let us explain that one and complete that one. Okay. See, suppose I'm selecting some particular table. Okay, where marks, suppose what are the marks we are having? 90s and 100s, right? Let me insert some more records into this one. Where is the insert command? At the top, right? I'm inserting some more values into this one. Okay, what are the records is 5. Okay. But the thing is, we are going to the student backup, right? Student underscore bsekup. Okay, and now I am going to insert the values. Okay, S number some 5 I am inserting. Okay, and then S name some Hari, which I need to give in the single quotes, and then S mark says 400, row inserted, and another way I'm executing another record, inserting another record, some Raj. Okay, and I'm giving the marks 200, another row inserted. Now when I'm selecting staff from bsekup, okay, now these are the marks are there, right? See, okay, and one record I'm going to insert, that is nothing but 7. Okay, some HHH guy, you'll get the value 289. Okay, now when I am selecting this value, I get the output like this. I will get the output like this. Okay, now clearly observe the data. Okay, what are the marks? Say 289. Okay, 400, like this. The data is there. Okay, now I'm applying this between, not in, like this operator. Okay, how I can apply is, now I'm selecting from the student table. Okay, where, okay, now I'm selecting from the student table where S marks, okay, between 200 and 400. Okay, now say me, what is the marks between 200 and 400? 200, 289, 400, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now whether the 91 will come?
No.
No. Why? Because the 91 is not there in between 200 and 400. Okay, now let us see whether the same thing is working or not. See, 200, 289, 400. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose this is the between. What is the another thing I told? Not between. See, what is the another operator I told? Not between, right? Not between. Okay. Let us see whether that one will work or not. Suppose the same command, suppose I execute it like this. Not between 400 and 500. Okay. Then what will be the output? This marks except this between the 200 and 400, the remaining will come as 91, 100, 99. Got it? Okay. Shall I proceed into the next concept? Next command? Next operator?
Yes.
Yeah. What is that one? In and not in. Okay. In and not in. Let us see. Select star from that is student backup. student backup. Okay, where what I can give, where number s number in 1, 2, 3, like this I'm giving. Okay, what this will check is, suppose when I am selecting the student backup table, okay, there are so many numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, but when I'm pinning this output, when I am selecting here by using the in operator, okay, what I'm selecting all the records. Okay, I'm selecting all the records where the s number is in numbers 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, where the 4, 5, 6, 7 will come here?
No.
No, only 1, 2, 3 only 1, 2, 3 records will come. Okay, let us confirm whether it is working or not. Okay, see 1, 2, 3 records only coming. Suppose I'm giving here the same command, whether if I'm giving here like this. Okay, not in, what will be the output? After suppose in means only the records having 1, 2, 3 came here. Not in means except the records 1, 2, 3, the remaining will come.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Here 5, 6, 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Except the 1, 2, 3, the remaining will come here. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and the last one, okay, what is the last one is null and not null. I already told the last one, null and not null. Okay, suppose like this, we are having some fields, right, with having the values null. See, your null is there, right?
Yes.
Okay, here suppose I want to retrieve the records where the s name is null. Okay, how I can retrieve means select, okay, star
Start from
from,
student
okay,
back.
what is the table name? Student backup. What is the table name? Student backup. Where what I told, s name
Is
is
equal NL.
null. S name is null, simply like that. Okay, if I'm executing the same command, this record will retrieve. Okay, suppose the same command, if I'm giving like this,
It's not null.
S name is
Not null.
not null. Okay, what will be that?
Only the
Null
null
all records.
will not show up.
Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose I'm using the last sum operator called as like. Okay, what will be the outputs if I'm using the like this? Okay, here we are having the different names here. Okay, different names here. Suppose select, okay, some star from the student table name, that is star from, what is this, student backup table. Okay, where s marks like 100, s marks like 100. Okay, what it will get, let us see. Got it? Only the record which is having like 100 it retrieved, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see the same record, the same like operator I am applying on the strings. Okay, this is the strings are there, right? S names. Okay, you know, suppose in some cases there are so many records, you want to retrieve the records only the name starting with the S. Okay, only the names starting with the S. Okay, what is the name field here? S name like. Okay, S name like
Yes.
in single quotes. Why? Because it is a S name. Which data type? Sname data type. Number or varchar?
Varchar.
Varchar. Varchar means what we need to put? Single quotes. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Percentile. As percentile. Like this I need to give. Okay. Suppose I am executing this command. Okay, I am executing this command. Like S percentile. Let us see what will be the output. Okay. The name starting with S. Any other names are there which starts with S?
No.
Except Sam? No.
No.
Okay. So the output is only Sam. Suppose there is an result like this. Same where there are multiple names starts with same letter. Yeah, this Raj and Ravi. What the letter starts with?
R.
R. Suppose I am giving here as R. Okay. Suppose I am executing the same command. Now see. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose the same, like I want to take the values like this where the name ends with I. Okay. What are the names ends with I? See, Ravi and Hari, right? Yeah. Simply I can give like this. After percentile I need to give I. Okay. After percentile I need to give I and I execute this one. Okay. Ravi, Hari. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Suppose in the same output I want to see where the names, the second letter starts with A. What are the second letter name starts with A? Sam, Ravi, Hari, Raj, right? Whether this having the second letter is A?
No.
No. Okay. For that cases I can give like this underscore A. Okay. Underscore A that starts because, okay, I can give like this percentile. Okay. If I execute the same thing, okay, second letter starts with A. Underscore A. Suppose third letter means what I need to give? Underscore underscore A. Okay. Fourth letter means underscore 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 A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Like this. Okay. And at the same time, suppose we are observing the scenario here where the letter having the two letters are the same. Suppose R-A-V-I, H-H-H, Hari, Raj, Sam, H-H-H. Yeah. Suppose here, see, I want to retrieve the name where it consists of two H's. Okay. Where it consists of two H's. Okay. At that time, I can give as H and then again percentile. Okay. Again H. I can give like this. Okay. If I am giving like this, what will be the output?
Hari and H.
Only H will come. Where exactly there are two H's that will retrieved by this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When we are selecting the student backup table, that means when we are selecting the student backup table, okay, we are getting the output like this. We are getting the output like this. Okay. Whether this S marks are in ordered way or else it is in a jumbled way.
It's in a jumble way.
Jumbled way. Suppose I want to order according to the S marks. Simply I can give the keyword called as order by which one? S marks. S marks. Okay. Suppose I execute the same command. Okay. See now all are in ascending order. 91, 99, 100, 200, 289, 400. These are in ascending order right now.
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose I want to display this in the descending order. DESC. Simply DESC. Okay. If I execute this command, all the numbers in descending order. 400 first, 289, 200, 199, last value 91. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. These are all the different types of operators. Okay. Got it, guys? And at the starting, I told that how to take the backup of the table. Okay. How to take the backup of the table means select. Suppose I want to create some backup of the table on this. Suppose there is a table, student backup table is there. I want to create the same table structure and the same table data into the another table. Why? Because I want to store the data backup in somewhere. How I can create? Again, I can't create a select statement. again I can't create insert statement, and again I can't insert the values into that one. Okay, how I can create is simply I can create, okay, what is the table, okay, table name is, I am creating the table name as student some backup table, okay, backup table 3, okay, for which table I am selecting the backup table as select star. That means all the records from student backup, all the records from student backup, okay, will retrieve and it will insert into the table student backup 3, and it will create the table. Okay, let us see whether it is working or not. Table student 3 created. Okay, now when we are selecting the table star from student backup 3, okay, the same data present in the student backup 3 will present, student backup is present in the student backup 3 also. See, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is one type of creating the backup tables. Okay,
You can say backup, or it's like basically copy date, right?
yeah, we are copying the entire data and entire data of the table into the another table. You can say like that also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, and the next concept is function. Shall I move on that one, or else hold on?
I think we should continue tomorrow because I have to work tomorrow.
Yeah,
And
sure.
it's about,
Okay.
about like 12 o'clock at night over here.
Yeah, that you discuss with Rajesh in WhatsApp. I will say do whatever the Rajesh say. Okay.
Okay. What if we do the class tomorrow, sir? What time we should be?
Yeah, the timings the Rajesh will update you guys. Okay.
Okay. All right.
It's
Yeah.
there in the
Up to now
WhatsApp.
clear, guys. Any doubts are there?
No, so far.
Pretty clear. Yeah, we just have to practice and review the video.
Yeah, that is very important, guys. Practice is very important. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Make
sir.
sure until and unless you
How we
practice
can
this,
practice? We don't have this SQL, Oracle SQL developer. How we can practice?
oh, not there in your system.
No, it's not.
Oh, you didn't tell me that one at the starting, and now saying okay. I thought you guys are having this SQL developer. Can you download that one by seeing in the YouTube how to download, or else I need to explain?
Uh,
Simple
No,
steps.
you
Only
can,
7 minutes video that is. When you are going to the YouTube, you can see the 7 minutes video that is.
okay. You have the link, then you can send it.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see that thing. See? How many minutes? 5 minutes video. Okay. I'm just picking up this link. If it is not good, means
I'm sorry. What is that, sir?
okay. Just see that video. He will give some website. Go to that video and download the SQL developer. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. If you are having any issues with that one, just ping us or mail us. We will revert you back. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
All
Have
right,
a
thank
nice
you.
day. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.